So hello guys, in today's video I will guide you with how you can fix screen flickering issue after updating to macOS 26. So many users complained that their screen flickers for a few minutes after they turn on their Mac. Also, users started facing the issue after installing macOS 26 update. So here are a few methods that you can try to fix it. Method 1. Restart your Mac. For this, click on this Apple icon. Now here click on Restart. After this, click on Restart and this will restart your Mac. Next method is to check for system update. This can be a temporary bug which might be fixed with the next update. So it's best to check for the update and install it. For this, press Command plus spacebar key. Now this will open Spotlight Search. Here search for System Settings and press Return key to open it. Now on the left pane, click on General and then click on Software Update. Now this will check for the update. If there's any update available, then install it. Next, change refresh rate and screen resolution. For this, open the Settings app. Now here on the left pane, click on Displays. Now from here, keep the resolution default. For example, here I have this one, and now click on refresh rate and try lowering it down. For example, right now it is set to 75 Hz. Let's keep it 60 Hz. Now once you do this should fix the issue. Next, turn off dynamic wallpapers. For this, open the Settings app. Now click on Wallpaper. Now from here select a static image. For example, this one or this one. Don't use dynamic wallpapers like these. Next, check display cable. If you are facing the issue with external monitor, then check the display cable. If the display cable is damaged, then that can also cause screen flickering issue. So it's best to check it. And if there's any damage, then replace it. So that's how you can fix screen flickering issues after macOS 26 update. So I hope you find this video useful. And for more such videos, subscribe this channel.